Hello, Namaste, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Ayur Yoga Mudra. Now, today I am going to tell you about one Ayurvedic herb to increase the height. So, this is one Ayurvedic herb, or you can say it as a plant that can be used to increase the height because this plant is none other than it is bamboo. So, it is common, especially common in India and South Asia. People are using bamboo shoot. I think most of the guys know what is bamboo shoot. The small part of the vegetative part of the bamboo which is now growing up, the smaller part of the bamboo which is growing to be the larger tree, and the smaller part, the shoot, the smaller stem which is edible. So this can be used to increase the height because bamboo shoot consists of various minerals and so much chemicals and so much antioxidants and the chemicals and minerals that are especially needed for the human body to increase the height and well development of the body. So if you make this as a daily diet and you can include this bamboo shoot in your breakfast, especially in morning, definitely your height will increase. For parents, if you are worried about your kids height, then you must include this bamboo shoot in your breakfast. So if you are unaware of bamboo shoot or you doesn't know about bamboo shoot, then I will tell how to prepare bamboo shoot for food. So in some, there are so many hybrid variety and varieties available in bamboo shoot. So better you can purchase these from market if you don't know about how to take the bamboo shoot directly. And because there is a process to clear the unwanted stem part like that, so better you can purchase from the market. And some bamboo shoot having toxins, so for all the bamboo shoot you must put it in water and boil for at least half an hour and remove that water. You can take out that water and you can now use that bamboo shoot. So it must be, you must boil bamboo shoot for half an hour and you can take out that water and you can use the bamboo shoot. And now so much edible bamboo shoots are available in market, such as in pickle format or salad form, or also in fermented bamboo shoot are also available in market. So you can choose according to your taste, and the hybrid varieties also you can choose according to your food item. And also you can use this with the salad or any other veg or non-veg item. You can mix this bamboo shoot. And also you can if you are new to bamboo shoot, then take a less amount at initial time and gradually you can increase the amount according to your digestive capacity. So from kids to normal people you can use bamboo shoot. This doesn't have any other side effect. One side if you side effect means it doesn't have side effect, but some people doesn't like the taste. So if you don't like the taste, then you can use more water and you can wash it and you can boil that water 2-3 times, 10 to 20 minutes like that. Repeat you can do to remove the bad taste if you don't like that taste. So many hybrid varieties are good taste available like a pickle format, so you can use that one also. So this is a simple method to increase your height. I can say this is used in Ayurvedic method and also in local herbal formulas also. This is used in most of the Asian countries for the increase of height. So this is a simple method, you can increase the height. So if you want to increase your highs, please include this herb in your daily breakfast. So thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, and if you have any queries, please put in comment section. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. I will definitely come with another video. Thank you.